Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to activate Grammarly. To activate Grammarly, you will need to create an account and choose a plan, either free or premium. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. If you need advanced features like style, tone, and vocabulary suggestion, you can upgrade to Grammarly Premium by clicking on this button here. To use Grammarly in your application, you can do it by clicking on Apps section here. You can use it for Microsoft Word. Download Grammarly for Windows and you can activate it in your Microsoft Word. For browser, add the Grammarly extension for Chrome by clicking on this button. You can also download Grammarly on your iPhone or iPad and also on Android. Open the application or browser where you install Grammarly and log into your Grammarly account credential. Grammarly should now be active and ready to make suggestions as you type. So that is how you can activate Grammarly. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.